Hello, everybody. Say hello, Allie. Say hello, Allie. Say hello. Miss Allie's in my craft room with me. So I'm just going to answer, not answer, but I'm going to just give you a few facts about parrots. And then what I'd like you to do is send me a message or text me, whatever, questions that you might have so that I can do my best to answer them next Wednesday. But, I want to just kind of give you a little bit of information about parrots. Allie, you go say hi? Say hi, Allie. Say hi, Allie. Say hi. Say hi. Not going to say anything? No, they do that when you want them to say something on the camera, then they won't say anything, right? But anyways, do you know that there's 372 different kinds of parrots in the world? Isn't that cool? All parrots are not created equal. And even if they say, like some people say, like our Ellie up here, they can be aggressive, they're loud, they stereotype them. Ellie, the owner prior to me, had her for 25 years, bit her once, and he said, really, but that was his fault. She's never bit me. Has she shown signs that she could bite? You betcha. You betcha. Matter of fact, it was just the other day, I went to go give her a shower, and she didn't want nothing to do with it. So she started shaking her head, and, then she got to come over here and say hi. Hi, Allie. Open her mouth, and she was not happy. So I even had to get a towel to put around her to get her in the shower because she was not having anything to do with it. And I trust Ellie, and I know Ellie pretty good, but you got to know your birds, you got to know the signs. And so you respect them because they are parrots. Huh. Yes. Yes. So, don't matter how long you've had them, and don't matter how good they've been, you still got to respect them, right? Right? Yes. Yes, because we're parrots, aren't we? Just like our boo, not the African grey, I'm sorry, but the Amazon, which is actually considered my husband's bird. When we took him to vet, he said a lot of those type of birds, parrots, will bond to one person, and he's bonded to Richard. He'd like to eat my face off. But sometimes he has his good days. Allie kind of likes everybody. Allie's very lovable. But, it just depends on your parrot. I know other people that have an Amazon and they can cuddle with them and they're just, it depends on the parrot. So, anyways, I made a list here because I don't remember it all. I'm a very busy lady. I do this. Plus, I do my art. I actually have a customer's order I got to work on tomorrow. And my husband works a full-time job, and then he has a side part-time job that I help him with. Plus, I clean my house, and I take care of 18 parrots, and I do my art. Yes, I am a very, very busy lady. Okay, so, as I said, there's 372 different kinds of parrots in the world. And unfortunately, like the hyacinth blue, yes, you are a pretty bird, they are extinct and wild, and that's just so sad. Birds can, the parrots can, depending on what type of parrot, like even Allie, can live up to 80 years. And if you have a necklace they like to bite in, do not, is a woman or man, do not wear earrings, unless, especially dangly ones, unless you really like to have your ear ripped out. When I wear a necklace, I kind of watch her because she can break it. And so, again, you have to be aware of what they can do and can't do. And so what do parrots eat? Parrots eat a lot of things that we eat. There's a lot of things they cannot eat. They cannot ever have avocados, chocolate, salt. It's not good for them. Apple seeds. I have a link that I'm going to put on this video. Information so you can understand. I actually need to add more to it, but they eat nuts and fruits and vegetables and bugs. Yeah, sunflowers. Some flowers, not sunflowers. So I don't give none of my parrots bugs because I don't want no bugs in my house. But anyways, another thing. Oh, is that right? Okay. Do you want to say anything else? Huh? Yeah? What do you want to say? Okay. And yes, they can talk. Almost all of them can talk. Some are better talkers than others. Some mimic, some talk. Some that are considered like the African grey are supposed to be the most intelligent, and some of them will never talk. Depends on what happened in their life. Depends on the parrot. But if they've been through something dramatic, abused in any way or something like that, they may not talk, even though they are able to. Some may not. That's like saying a heavy person is all the heavy people are going to be lazy and fat and die of heart attack or diabetes. Okay, well, I'm heavy and I am not lazy by any means. So that's not right to stereotype, put them in a group all by themselves and say that they're all this way, because they're not. This one here, people say, like I said, that she could be aggressive. Well, haven't seen it happen. Not that I couldn't. And also, let me see. Yes, you're a pretty bird. Birds and birds that have been, breeders or once they've been in captivity, they can't be just let out to be free. No, they can't. They usually go in flocks, and once they've been in captivity, they relied on human to take care of them. So now they're not going to know how to make it, out in the wild after they've been in captivity. So, that's the sad part. You can't have it both ways. Like I said, if you have any questions, please send me your questions so I can do research and look it up. If there's something I don't know or don't understand, I will do my best to answer all your questions. We've been a rescue for this June will be a year, but we're a rescue now sanctuary. The reason I decided to do that is because there is rescues out there, but there is not really a lot of rescue sanctuaries in Michigan for parrots. And so we wanted to make sure that these beautiful babies will have somewhere to live the rest of their lives and not have to be put in one home after another. When I was adopted out, I'm pretty confident with all the birds that I adopted out that they are families for the rest of their lives. But you just never know. And then COVID-19 came along, whatever, and we had a serious talk and we decided to keep the 18 birds that we have. We're full. I could take up the rest of my house, but it's my house. They are taking up the living room, and eventually we're working in the basement to make that very nice, a nice big room for them. And then if there's ever a tornado, they're already down there. Eventually we'd like to get a building in the back of our land. We got like 2 acres, but that's very expensive. So one step at a time. I can get my living room back. Oh, I want my living room back. But I love them all. Love them all. Yes, they are so unique. They're beautiful birds. They're intelligent. It's so cool when they talk. It is. And they're absolutely, they're just, I love all animals, but I love parrots. Okay, so I think that's about all I wanted to say today. Again, if you have any more questions, please ask me, and I will try to address them by next Wednesday. Say bye, Ellie. Say bye, Ellie. Bye. Bye. You're not going nowhere. Have a good day.